Key Fob, and I decided to buy this one. And let me honestly tell you that I chose the right one. I love everything about this Key Fob cover. Its quality is excellent and it's super cute. This Key Fob cover comes with its tools to install. As you can see through the video, it is so easy to put on. I love its design. The gold accent makes it so stylish, so classy and gorgeous. I love the fact that with this Key Fob cover, I can now keep my Key Fob newer and durable. I love this Key Fob cover. I love it.
Stay updated on Amazon's best automotive products and viral finds. Click subscribe and turn on the bell so you never miss out on our latest videos.